The power of design thinking could help you counter the several challenges of your work life by creating a path to innovation and unveiling new possibilities. Famous inventors like Thomas Edison and Steve Jobs were quintessential innovators who used a problem-solving process called design thinking to revolutionize entire industries and establish an enviable competitive advantage for their companies. Keen on learning about the intricacies of Organizational Design Challenge, Chandigarh University organized a 2-day intensive session to enlighten the students and faculty into the fundamentals of this creative approach by engaging them into dynamic discussions, relevant readings, and team exercises. The session focused on listening, user empathy, whole brain thinking, collaboration, and experimentation, as design thinking can be applied in any field, from architecture and design to healthcare and product development to urban planning and beyond.
In Chandigarh University, we are trying to inculcate two different streams, wherein first is faculty will have a set of topics from design thinking to innovation and creativity excellence to creativity harvesting and inventive problem solving in over a period of 2 + 2 + 2, 6 days. And for the students, this is the first 2 days that yesterday and today we are here amongst the brightest of the candidates here to make them go through the design thinking fundamentals. Now, why do we do it for faculty here? Absolutely. Faculty have to be the first ever personality that has to become someone who has empathy for students. They have to understand where students are coming from, why students are wanting to ask more questions, why they want space for projects, why they want fun-filled way of learning. This faculty in CU, we thought that if they empathize well, they make people to get into definition of good projects, good approaches, and then ideas can come from alumni, ideas can come from industry, ideas can come from experts like me from industry, and then they go on from there to design some of the courses which are very different in the university, and then they can test it with students, and this is the first set of students. And why it is meant for students? We enable students to understand that there are a lot of things that is beyond the technical expertise that they are learning in the subject and course, and this is just a starting point, and we have to go places. All the best.
This course is really useful for us because it's a new course. We have learned so many things like EDIP, which is a really good technique for a successful career. After attending these 2 days workshop, I feel really creative. What sir has taught us, what different activities we have learned, it was a really great experience.
This particular course is very expensive when we go in the market, but yet we were provided free of cost in a 2-day workshop.
I thought design thinking is all about designing something, or maybe it's specific to a certain branch. But then after when I attended the seminar, I knew that this is like for everyone, open for all. It's a very good platform.
This was really different from what we actually do in our academics. So all these skills that I've learned today would help me in my life and moreover in my professional life too.
In pursuit to impart innovative skills within our students and faculty that can help them to think out of box, CU annually organizes such events.